Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel QuickBooks subscription, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your QuickBooks subscription, start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Open a web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Enter your login credentials, including your email address and password. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. Next, click on the Billing and Subscription tab on the left side. Here, you will see your subscription details. Look for the Cancel option next to your subscription plan. Click on the Cancel button to initiate the cancellation process. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm your cancellation. Review any information provided regarding the cancellation terms. If you are sure you wish to proceed, confirm the cancellation. After confirming, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription status. Keep this email for your records. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to QuickBooks support for assistance. Remember, cancellation will take effect at the end of your current billing period. Ensure to back up any important data before completing the cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.